Okay, people have been asking, how do you withdraw from Binance? This is what I want to do now quickly. So first of all, you open your Binance. So you go to your wallet. You all know where your wallet should be, which is here. Now, depending on if okay, you click on spots here. So whatever you want to withdraw, you need to convert it to from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet. So let's say I have 142 USDT and I want to withdraw 100 USDT. So what do I need to do? I'll click on USDT. Okay, sorry, I will go back. I'll click on transfer first. Yeah. So you can see I want to transfer from my spot wallet to my P2P wallet. So I'll click here to search for the coin I want to transfer, which is USDT. So I'll click on it and I'll search for USDT, USD. You can see it. So the amount of USDT I want to transfer, I'll type it 100. I'll click on transfer. So I've taken it to P2P. So I'll cancel and I will go back. So I'll come back to this overview here. I'll click on it. So I'm on overview. Now you can see my P2P wallet. I have about $1,220. So what I'll simply do is I'll click on it. So okay, I'll click on any coin I want to sell. I have only USDT here, so I'll click on USDT and I'll click on sell. So these are the various sellers. You can see these are the various sellers. So this um so these are people. So you can just select. First of all, things you take note of is I usually take note of the number of trades. Number one, the percentage of good remarks the person has, and the availability. So for this person, you can only sell. He wants to buy only between 1,000 and 1,600, which is small. I want to sell up to $100, which would be like 50K. So I need somebody whose limit is between 1,000 and 50K. You can decide to break it down and do multiple transactions, but I don't want. Here you also see bank transfer. This person is paying through bank transfer, meaning he will send it to my bank. You can see this one mobile top up, meaning the person does. I don't know how he does this on mobile top up, but I need somebody who is doing bank transfer and who has between 1,000 and 50,000. So let me keep on checking. Keep on checking. I need someone who is between 1,000 and 50,000. I want to do it once. You can break it down. If you see somebody who wants to buy 10, maybe you can sell. But I just want to do it with one single person. I don't want to break my transactions. So these are you research. If I don't see, then I can decide to break it down. This one is between 1,000 and 25,000. But I just need a single. I love single transactions. I don't like repeating. So these are you would look for. If let me pause it so that the video doesn't become long. If I see, I'll play it. So you can see I've seen somebody here. He wants to buy between 1,000 and 50,000. That is good. He mixed my his trades 1,800. That is good. He has 92% positive remarks. That is good. So I'll click on this person. I'll click on sell. So the amount of USDT I want to sell, which is 100. So you can see select a means of payment. So you select the means of payment you want to use. So I will just click on it for it to bring out my bank details. Let me pause it. So it has given been brought out my account details. This is the account number I want to send it to. So what I'll simply do is I'll click on sell USDT. Okay, show me that the ad has been updated, meaning the period I was searching for, the ad was updated. So basically I need to refresh the page again. So I'll just refresh it and click on it. Okay, I mean I need to go back and manually refresh it from here. So basically I will need to look for that guy again. Just the same process. You don't have to waste too much time. It's because I was talking. That's why the ads needed refreshing. So I'll just simply look for the same guy back. I think it was around here I saw him. Mm. Okay, if I can't see the exact person, I'll just pick anybody, and I'm seeing people who meet my recommendations. Yeah. So, for example, this guy is also he meets my recommendations. So I'll just pick him and click on sell. The same $100. I'll post it on. So I'll click on sell USDT. So it goes to this page. The seller will receive a notification that somebody wants to sell USDT to him, and you can see a message here already. The person say please stay online, meaning be online to receive the payment. So as soon as the payment is received, this is 257. Let's see how fast this seller would be. So as soon as the payment he receives, as soon as I receive the payment, then I'll click on this confirm receipt here. So let me just pause it now. So you can see the messages on Binance. The buyer has marked it paid. So I will just simply go to Binance now and confirm the receipt. Click confirm. So it's asking for my Google Authenticator verification. So I'll just simply go to my Google Authenticator and just click on it. You won't be able to see anything though. That's how it's programmed. But I know what I'm saying here. So I'll paste it and I'll submit it. So I've sold 50,000 and you can see my alert here, 50,000 credited. That is all.